Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Verify your email and ensure the account isn't brand new, because Roblox limits features for very new accounts. Once done, update the Roblox app or use the desktop site to avoid outdated UI quirks. Make sure your device's region settings match your phone number country, and open Settings Security to check two-step options exist. These checks stop false missing options and prepare you to add a number immediately without wasting time on basic troubleshooting. Now you move into the detailed steps. Go to Settings, select Account Info, and then Security to find Add Phone. If the option is absent, log out and back in, clear the app or browser cache, and retry. This resolves stale UI states. Next, try an incognito window or a different browser, and if still missing, switch to a desktop or another verified device. Roblox app interfaces sometimes hide options on older app builds or restricted mobile views. Finish by entering your phone number in the Add Phone field, then wait for the SMS code and verify it in Security. Save changes and confirm two-step settings. If you don't get a code, try an alternate number or wait 5 to 10 minutes before requesting again to avoid rate limits. If the option remains missing after these steps, collect account ID, screenshots, and timestamps. Then contact Roblox support. Provide the exact details so they can restore the.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.